Listening to English conversations.
John, would you like something to eat?
No, I'm full.
Do you want something to drink?
Yes, I want coffee.
Sorry, I don't have any coffee.
It's okay. I'll have a glass of water.
A small glass or a big one?
Small, please.
Here you are.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Mary, would you like to get something to eat with me?
Okay, when?
At 10 o'clock.
10 in the morning?
No, at night.
Sorry, that's too late. I usually go to bed around 10 o'clock.
Okay, how about 1 o'clock?
No, that's too early. I'll still be at work then.
How about 5 o'clock?
That's fine.
Okay, see you then.
All right, bye.
Jennifer, would you like to have dinner with me?
Yes, that would be nice. When do you want to go?
Is today okay?
Sorry, I can't go today.
How about tomorrow night?
Okay, what time?
Is 9 o'clock all right?
I think that's too late.
Is 6 o'clock okay?
Yes, that's good. Where would you like to go?
The Italian restaurant. On 5th Street.
Oh, I don't like the restaurant. I don't want to go there.
How about the Korean restaurant? Next to it.
Okay, I like that place. Hi, John.
Hi.
What are you planning to do today?
I'm not sure yet.
Would you like to have lunch with me?
Yes, when?
Is 11 o'clock okay?
Sorry, I didn't hear you. Can you say that again, please?
I said 11 o'clock.
Oh, I'm busy then. Can we meet a little later?
Okay, how about 12 o'clock?
Okay, where?
How about Bill's Seafood Restaurant?
Oh, where is that?
It's on 7th Street.
Okay, I'll meet you there.